First, take a look at the Fall Map Scoresheet. You will see a bar graph on the left and a list of the subcategories of the test on the right with some highlighted rows. Math is on the top of the sheet, so we will start there. Your fall map score is listed in two places, at the top of the bar graph and also underneath FA17, which stands for Fall 2017. Write that score on the goal setting worksheet in the box for your fall math map score. Now we want to look for your math strengths. These areas will be highlighted in green. You may have 0, 1, or 2 areas of strength. If there are no areas highlighted, look for the category that has the highest score range. The categories are operations and algebraic thinking, the real and complex number systems, geometry, and statistics and probability. Circle your areas of strength on the goal setting worksheet now. Next, we want to look for your math areas of growth. These areas will be highlighted in yellow. You may have 0, 1, or 2 areas of growth. If no areas of growth are highlighted in yellow, then look for the category that has the lowest score range. Circle your area of concern on the goal setting worksheet now. Next, we are going to take a look at reading, which is located at the bottom of the map score sheet. Your fall reading map score is listed in two places, at the top of the bar graph and also underneath Fall 17. Write that score on the goal setting worksheet in the box for your fall reading map score now. We want to look for your reading area strengths next. These areas will have been highlighted in green. Again, you may have 0, 1, or 2 areas of strength. If no areas are highlighted, then look for the category that has the highest score range. The categories are literary text, key ideas and details, literary text, language, craft, structure, informational text, language, craft, structure, vocabulary, acquisition and use, informational text, key ideas and details. Circle your areas of strength now. Next, we are going to take a look at your areas for growth. These areas will be highlighted in yellow. You may have 0, 1, or 2 areas of growth. If no areas of growth are highlighted, then look for a category that has the lowest score range. Circle your area of growth on the goal setting worksheet now. Next comes the thinking part. We are going to look at these areas of growth and set actionable goals to help us improve our performance in these areas. For this part of the activity, you will need the goal setting worksheet and the sample goal sheet. Your teachers have put together a list of sample actionable goals that will help you, but you also have the option to write your own goal if none of the sample goals seem to fit your needs. Let's first take a look at math. Take a look at what your math area or areas of growth are. Now find the math-specific goals on the sample goal setting sheet. Read through each of the goals and see if there's one that fits your needs. For example, my area of concern is statistics and probability. So I will use a probability scale to check if my final answer is reasonable. Probability will always be between 0 and 1. And there's an example of a probability scale. This goal will help me check my work and know when I need to rework a problem on my homework or test. If you had more than one area of concern, you may choose 2 goals for math or write a goal for the area that you feel you need to pay the most attention to. Keep in mind We are not just writing this goal down and forgetting about it. We need to make a genuine effort to put this goal into action every day in class and at home working on our homework. Go ahead and read through the goals now and set a math goal.